Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to compare two powerful AI tools that turn text into images, Stable Diffusion and MidJourney. I'll try out different prompts on both of these tools to see what sets them apart. I'll be using the automatic 1111 interface for Stable Diffusion and an SDXL model called Juggernaut XL version 5, which you can find on the Civit AI website. I'm only going to test text-to-image prompts to keep things simple. I'll use only positive prompts and won't add any extensions like ControlNet or use image-to-image, because we all know that with those tools you can do pretty much anything you want. For the technical details, I'm using the DPM+++2 MKeras sampling method with 25 sampling steps. The image dimensions will be 1024px by 1024px, and I'll generate 4 images in each batch, just like MidJourney does. The CFG scale is set at 7. I won't be cherry-picking results. The first image that comes out for each prompt is the one you'll see in the video, for both Stable Diffusion and MidJourney. Here are my settings for MidJourney. I'm using model version 5.2. Now, I'm going to test various prompts so you can see the differences between the two tools. Feel free to pause the video if you want a closer look at the prompts. On the left side of the screen, you'll see images generated by Stable Diffusion, and on the right, you'll see the ones from MidJourney. The prompt used will be displayed at the bottom of the screen.
Mistake as this divide that separates us. Feel like a stranger in my skin. We swore we'd change, we'll swear again. Like it's a game, like it's pretend. But I can't fake love. United only by the covers, but heaven knows we sleep alone. Secret lives become our lovers, the answer for this broken hole.
I hope you had a good time watching the prompt testing. Now it's time to wrap up and share my final thoughts on Stable Diffusion and MidJourney AI. Keep in mind, this is just what I think. I'd love to hear your thoughts too, so don't forget to leave a comment below. Price. If you go with Stable Diffusion A1111, it's free and you can install it locally on your PC. On the other hand, MidJourney requires a subscription and runs on Discord. Privacy. With Stable Diffusion, your data remains private. For MidJourney, it's public by default, but you can go private if you're willing to pay for a $60 subscription. Speed. Stable Diffusion runs faster on an RTX 4090, taking just 18 seconds for a set of 4 images. However, it's slower on other GPUs. MidJourney's speed depends on server traffic, usually taking between 30 to 60 seconds. Size for 1:1 ratio image. The image size you can work with on Stable Diffusion depends on your GPU and can range from 1024 to 2048 pixels. You also have the option to upscale it. MidJourney, however, is limited to 1024 pixels. The look. Stable Diffusion generally offers a more natural look, while MidJourney tends to be more artistic. Default mood. If you prefer a lighter and more natural mood, Stable Diffusion might be your choice. MidJourney leans towards a darker look. Censorship. Stable Diffusion doesn't censor your images, while MidJourney does. Variations. Stable Diffusion provides similar results across a set of 4 images. In contrast, MidJourney usually gives you more variations within those 4 generated images. Text/typography. Both platforms aren't great in this department, but Stable Diffusion gives you the option to improve it using ControlNet. Image-to-image options. If you want more control and advanced options, go with Stable Diffusion. MidJourney offers limited control in this regard. Number of models. Stable Diffusion offers a wide variety of models through the Civet AI site, while MidJourney has limited options, usually with the latest model being the best. Customization. With Stable Diffusion, you can train your own LoRa model or use extensions for customization. MidJourney doesn't offer good options for this. Ease of use. Stable Diffusion is not as easy to use as MidJourney but gives you more control over the process. MidJourney is easier for beginners but offers less control. I personally prefer Stable Diffusion, while my wife, who's new to AI, likes MidJourney better. So it really comes down to what works best for you. That's all for today. Have a great day.